We are in no doubt that the gas was used. Why? Well, on the one hand, the journalists from Le Monde, to whom we are very grateful, supplied us with samples which we had analysed. And then there was another case. We went back through the chain of events and we analysed those other samples. And the lab's conclusion was clear. It was sarin gas.
Was spoken about at the time. So there seems to have been for some time allegations that there have been chemicals used. It was never clear that it was chemical weapons. And this is the most forthright accusation that we've seen, that the people on the ground have been using chemical weapons. And the UN so far has said that it had reasonable grounds that chemical weapons have been used. The White House has said that it's extremely likely that it was the regime that used them. But this is really the most clear allegation that we've heard so far. The other question is what next? Fabius said that there was some possibility of armed actions being used against the source of these chemical weapons, but there's very little international will for any sort of international intervention into Syria. So the other question is, where does this go next? President Barack Obama also said that the chemical weapons use would be a red line, but that hasn't been followed up. And the United States is not looking very keen to enter this conflict. So the question really is, what next with this information, and will the other states back it up?